How to join our Telegram group. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you join our Telegram group. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Telegram app with your account. After you open Telegram, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, in the chat section, at the top, simply in the source field, search for any group or channel you want to join. Simply you can search anything from here. After you find your desired one group or channel, simply tap on join at the bottom. After you tap on that join option, if that group has enabled the required for permission to join, your request will be submitted for the join. After that, whenever the admin will approve you, you'll be able to join that group. If it is free to join, you'll be able to join and see the every chat and make conversation on that group. And that's it. This is the method to join group on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.